Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a beautiful Daytona Blue 2014 Harley Davidson Street Glide that I want to show you. They only put this Daytona Blue on the Street Glides and the Ultras. So it's kind of a special color. A nice vivid black graphic, flame type graphic on it. Actually, I don't know that that's vivid black because looking at it, it looks like this inside is a really dark gray, and then the outside is a black. It kind of fades in. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but it's really slick. Trimmed out with that blue stripe. Really looks nice. The bike's like new. A low mileage bike. Really nice rims on it. You can see the tires still have a lot of the little knobs on them. High density headlight. It's been upgraded with an engine guard, a set of highway pegs, a large oil cooler down there. Comes with a 103 motor, a 6-speed transmission. One of the things I like about these 2014s is the lid. Got an easy opening latch on it. One-handed opening here. Street Glide's loaded with full instrumentation, AM, FM stereo, electronic cruise control. It's got the infotainment center on it. Doesn't come with a CD player anymore. It's got this plug in here, this little compartment to put your MP3 player or iPod or iPhone or whatever. The bike has only got 474 miles. Just in beautiful conditions, like new. Got a Clockworks windshield on it. Got the through the fairing vent that you can open and close. Get you a little extra windage if you need it. Touch screen right here. Well, I'll say it's touch screen. Let me see, maybe I'll just need to do that. You can adjust change out your different settings with buttons on the hand grips. I'll let your sales guy tell you all about that. You can see that paint's full of flake, just beautiful. Didn't see any marks on it. See if we can walk around and find anything. The back tires got 500 something miles on it, 400 something, whatever the mileage is. It's original tires. I just noticed you can barely see a little gray stripe in there in that graphic, as well as the blue stripe. 103 and a 6-speed. Nice graphic on the tank there. Fire it off and let you listen to it. Factory exhaust, so it runs pretty quiet. This bike qualifies for some excellent financing and extended warranties. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. A little plug here for plugging up your stuff, charging your phone or whatever. We ran it through the shop, so nothing wrong with this one. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. Give us a call, toll free, 888-400-1151. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.